one part to another part of your body as per the need. तो आरबीसी का काम क्या हुआ? रेस्पिरेटरी गैसेस को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना एक जगह से दूसरे जगह तक जरूरत के मुताबिक। उसी के हिसाब से फिर ये न्यूट्रिएंट को भी क्या करता है, एक जगह से दूसरे जगह तक ले जाता है एज पर द नीड ऑफ द बॉडी। एट द सेम टाइम इट इज हेल्पिंग यू in the transportation of the different type of enzymes, hormones which are produced by your body and which are needed in different part of your body. Okay? Now in case of the WBC are the type of the cells which are helping you to fight against the disease. Here again two techniques are there to fight against the disease. One kind of cells are there among the WBC who are directly eating the microorganisms who are entering into your body. वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या कर जाते हैं, चाहे जो भी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हो उसको खा जाते हैं। तो काम तमाम हो गया। ना रहेगा बांस ना बजेगी बांसुरी, तो डिजीज होगा ही नहीं। अगर माइक्रोब को सीधे खा के हजम कर दिए, मार के खत्म कर। But this technique is effective to certain extent. When these microbes entered in large number, what I mean, it is called as they are outnumbered, then our body is unable to protect itself against these microbes. Then our body is applying the other technique. Then body is applying the other technique. आजकल बोलते हैं ना, दिल से नहीं दिमाग से काम करो, तो body start to you work by that technique. दिमागी चाल चलता है body. क्या? In the body of the human being, among the WBC, one group of cells are there. The different type of WBC, out of that one is there, which are called as the lymphocytes. That lymphocyte is again of two different types. One is called as the T lymphocyte, one is called as the B lymphocyte. All are lymphocytes, but one is known as T, one is known as B. And there again some classifications are there. In the T lymphocyte again they are of different type, similarly in B lymphocyte. Okay. So these lymphocytes have the ability to identify, to study, it is just like the laboratory. That they used to study the microbes which are entering into the body. The microbes may be in the form of virus, it may be in the form of bacteria, it may be in the form of amoeba or something. Or protozoa. And in our body, as you know, different type of organs and cells are there. For example, we have the heart, we have kidney, we have lung, and now we have brain. So many body organs are there which are specialized to perform a particular function, and these microbes use organs. जैसे मान लो कोई क्या करता है कि लंग में जो सेल्स है उसको खाता है, तो कोई किडनी वाले को, तो कोई लिवर वाले को, and each and every organs in our body are equally important. So the organs should not get attacked by any of the microbes. Its size, structure, whatever it is, detailed information of these microbes are getting collected by the lymphocytes. And out of that study, one more important thing is our lymphocytes have the ability to study what kind of chemical is needed to kill this microorganism. Whether it is bacteria or it is virus or it is protozoa or it is fungi or whatever it is. And for that sake, they need some time to study the microbe. कि इस माइक्रोब को मारने के लिए कौन सा केमिकल बनाना पड़ेगा, वो स्टडी करने के लिए हमारे लिम्फोसाइट को एक समय की जरूरत पड़ती है। इफ द लिम्फोसाइट्स आर गेटिंग दैट टाइम to completely study the microbes, but you are not going to suffer from the disease caused by that particular microbe. Because our lymphocytes will start preparing that chemical and releasing into the body, and those microbes will start getting killing by the बनाना पड़ेगा, और कैसे बनाना पड़ेगा ये फॉर्मूला वगैरह सब हमारा लिम्फोसाइट डिजाइन कर लेता है, और फिर वो जो है सो उस केमिकल को बॉडी में छोड़ना चालू कर देता है, और उसके हार्मफुल इफेक्ट से ये सारे माइक्रोब मारे जाते हैं और हमारा बॉडी उस बीमारी से बचा हुआ है। दिस इज द टेक्निक। बट व्हाट आई टोल्ड कि दिस lymphocyte needs a time period for that purpose. By that time, suppose the number of microbes which has entered into the body of the human being is in limited number, we can fight with that microbe and we can get rid of that disease. But sometimes body of that particular microorganism intentionally into our body, जानबूझ के उस बीमारी को फैलाने वाले उस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को मारने के बाद हम हमारे बॉडी में डाल देते हैं। और इन सम ऑफ द केसेस, बट दैट इज रिस्की, इवन these microbes are getting introduced into the body when they are in the dormant condition, inactive form. उसको पूरी तरह मारा नहीं जाता, पर करीब करीब समझो कि उसको मारा ही जाता है। उस हालत में उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बॉडी में इंजेक्ट कर देते हैं। Since the dead body of microorganism has been introduced, बॉडी में डालते हैं कि वो काम करने के लायक नहीं होता, या तो सीधे मार के ही डालते, तो फिर वो हमारे बॉडी को अटैक नहीं करता। Then, as per the system of the body, these lymphocytes are coming into action, and they are studying that foreign material. बंगाली है तो वो क्या करेगा, मछली खाएगा। बात को समझो, वन एग्जाम्पल आएंगे। अगर मान लो साउथ से है तो उसको इडली डोसा चाहिए, ये सो नो। नॉर्थ से है तो उसको क्या चाहिए, पराठा चाहिए, छोले भटूरे चाहिए। So the life is like what I mean that correct. ठीक है? These lymphocytes will study them.